Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the motherboard on a Dell Latitude 7400. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew bracket and disconnect DC jack. Now unscrew and remove heatsink assembly. Now unscrew bracket and disconnect solid state drive. Now unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Next, unscrew and remove brackets. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.